Today let's talk about the DJI Osmo 362, or should I say the Osmo 360 version 2. Either way, a fresh set of images has surfaced online, courtesy of trusted leaker Igor Bogdanov, and there are quite a few interesting details worth discussing. If you're wondering how DJI managed to obtain FCC authorization despite the US restrictions, here's how. The camera's FCC grant was reportedly issued on December 21st, 2025, just 2 days before the FCC updated its covered list on December 23rd, 2025, adding DJI and Autel. That means the certification process was completed before those restrictions took effect. While the FCC filing metadata is now visible, the actual exhibits, including the internal photos, external photos, and user manual, are still marked as metadata only on the FCC mirror we checked. Because of that, we couldn't independently verify the source of these leaked images. Now, let's take a closer look at the device. The biggest confirmed hardware upgrade is the battery. The label clearly shows a 2150 mAh lithium-ion battery with a nominal energy of 8.3 watt-hours, compared to the original Osmo 360's 1950 mAh battery rated at 7.55 watt-hours. That's roughly a 10% increase in capacity, which should translate into longer recording times, assuming the upgraded hardware doesn't consume significantly more power. The battery also supports charging at 5 to 9 volts up to 3 amps, and the regulatory label indicates compatibility with USB power delivery up to 27 watts, allowing for faster charging with compatible USB CPD chargers. Looking at the exterior, the Osmo 362 maintains almost the exact same overall footprint as its predecessor, suggesting that existing selfie sticks, cages, and many other accessories should remain compatible. The familiar square body, dual lens design, and front touchscreen have all been retained, making the new model instantly recognizable. One detail that caught my attention is the redesigned lens ring. Unlike the original Osmo 360, the Osmo 362 appears to feature small notches around the lens housing. Combined with the previously leaked lens replacement kit, this could indicate DJI has redesigned the lens assembly, possibly making lens replacement easier. However, the FCC photos don't explicitly confirm whether the lenses are user replaceable or if this is simply a service-friendly design, so we'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement. The internal photos reveal a refined but familiar layout. The removable battery remains in a similar position, while the main circuit board is still centrally located. Overall, DJI appears to have refined the existing design rather than completely redesigning the camera, making the Osmo 362 feel more like an iterative upgrade than a ground-up replacement. The regulatory label also provides a few additional details. It identifies the camera as Model OQ002 and includes certifications for multiple regions, including the FCC, CE, UKCA, BIS for India, KC for South Korea, and EAC. That broad range of certifications suggests DJI is preparing for a global launch rather than limiting the camera to select markets. What these FCC images don't reveal is just as important. They don't confirm any changes to the camera's sensors, processor, image quality, recording resolutions, frame rates, codecs, bitrate, or stabilization performance. So while rumors continue to point toward features like 8K at 60 frames per second, none of those specifications can be verified from these regulatory photos alone. So if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.